What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on the Andy Kandola Show. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the 5 stocks that I'm buying this month. We're going to go ahead, run through these 5 stocks. I do have all 5 of these stocks, guys, in my portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and basically break it down, share with you guys a quick overview of all 5 of these stocks and why I'm so bullish on every single one of these stocks that I am buying throughout this month. Now, if you're new to this channel, guys, my focus is to go ahead share everything with you guys in regards to my portfolio. I do go ahead and dollar cost average in this bucket list portfolio. It's made up of growth stocks as well as dividend stocks. Now, I have made some major changes in this portfolio, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and share those with you as well. And as we can tell here, my current value in the portfolio has hit all-time new highs, and we have officially crossed $100,000. Guys, the market has been great to us in the last week, and the market has been going up. Now, I do believe that we should be expecting a small correction in the market, but honestly, that's why I like the dollar cost average, because you don't know if it's gonna come and when it's gonna come. So at the end of the day, by dollar cost averaging, you're able to go ahead and still be in the market and in the game. And if there's a correction that does happen, obviously keep some money on the sidelines just to go ahead and be able to invest. But right now, guys, the Dow Jones is currently at 31,000. So we'll keep a close eye on this. But as far as the portfolio goes, the current value in the portfolio is sitting at $103,056. My total gains just in the last day were $1,600 or 1.59%. If we look at the overall last week, the overall gains were $2,609 or 2.61%. In the last month, the overall gains were $4,776 or about 5%. In the last quarter, the total gains were $12,426 or about 15%. And then all time since we started this portfolio back in April, the total gains are $18,136. And the portfolio is up 36.53%. Now, here's the thing, guys. As far as some of the changes that I've made in this portfolio, if you've been following this channel, you can probably tell the growth pie is now 1/3 of this overall portfolio. Now, apart from the growth pie, all the other sectors are diversified in the S&P 500 sectors, but every single other sector is divided up in dividend stocks only. The growth pie is the only one that only has growth stocks in there, that has no dividend stocks. But the reason why I made this big change is because just looking at my overall strategy, I want to be able to go ahead and grow the money that I'm putting in the stock market. And I do see some of the stocks that I'm going to be sharing with you guys that I'm buying throughout this month being able to go ahead and 10x in the next 5 years. So that's why I went ahead and made some changes in regards to just the overall allocation within these pies. So as we can tell, about 33% is going to be in the growth pie. And guys, all 5 of these stocks are going to be from my growth pie. But now let's go ahead and jump into it. Jumping into the first stock, that is going to be Teladoc Health. Now, Teladoc Health is actually one of the newest stock that I actually started investing in my portfolio. With Teladoc Health, this is actually one of the revolutionary companies within the healthcare sector. This company is trying to go ahead and disrupt the health industry. Basically, the simplest way to explain what Teladoc Health is you're able to go ahead and get a doctor or a nurse on the phone immediately, and you don't have to go to the hospital or go to a medical care facility. They're basically trying to revolutionize how we go ahead and use healthcare. So with Teladoc Health, they're currently trading at $276 a share. This stock has been up 158% overall in the last 1 year. And if we go ahead and look at the last 6 months, the stock is up about 10.99%. And guys, if we go ahead and jump down to their website, it's basically showing us exactly what they are. They're basically trying to reinnovate the way we do health insurance with virtual care. I believe this company has a lot of room to grow. This is a new company that I just started investing in my portfolio, and I will say this is a company that actually ARK Invest has as part of their portfolio as well. So if we go ahead and look at my portfolio, I just started a new position in Teladoc Health. So my current value is $1,046. I'm only up 44 cents in the stock, so not much at all. So I am going to keep on dollar cost averaging into the stock. And if we go ahead and look here, guys, the current share price is trading at $276, and my average share price is $276. But now just jumping into the next stock, and this is going to be one of my favorite stocks that I'm keeping on dollar cost averaging in, and this is going to be with Tesla. Now with Tesla, this company still has a lot of room to grow. If I see this company drop below $800, I'm gonna go ahead and invest a bit more in Tesla. However, it's hard to say if it is gonna go under $800 at this point. Now, there's gonna be a lot of volatility, I believe, throughout this year until Tesla goes ahead and comes out with full self-driving. I do believe full self-driving is around the corner, and I do expect that full self-driving will come out before the end of this year, which is going to be a huge game changer for this company. So I'm very bullish on this company. This is probably one of my biggest positions in my portfolio at this time. Now with Tesla, they're trading at $849 a share. As far as their 1 year returns go, they're up 379% overall in the last 1 year. As far as the last 6 months, they're up 185%. So I am very bullish on the stock. Now Tesla obviously is coming out with new vehicles as well. They're working on the Cybertruck, they're working on the Roadster, they just released the Model Y, they're also working on a $25,000 car. This company has a lot of things going on. They're working on robo-taxis. So it's just a company that has many different ways to go ahead and diversify the way that they are building their net worth, and not to include solar panels and supercharging network, and I mean there's so much going on with this company. But in any case, as far as my current value goes in this portfolio, my current value is sitting at $9,737. My overall gains are $1,953, or I'm up about 57%. Now if we go ahead and look at my average share price is $679 a share, and the current price of Tesla is at $849. So I am up a decent amount here. I believe this is my second largest holding behind the other company that I'm going to be sharing, that I'm investing in my portfolio. But this is a company that I just started adding more and more, and I'm planning to basically go ahead and keep investing into this throughout the rest of this month. Now the third one is going to be another innovator that is looking to go ahead and disrupt an old dinosaur industry, and that's going to be Lemonade. Basically, Lemonade is in the insurance industry, and with Lemonade, you can go ahead and basically buy your insurance in less than 5 minutes through a couple clicks on their website. Basically, with Lemonade, they're trying to go ahead and disrupt the way that millennials go ahead and purchase insurance. Now, Lemonade only provides, at this point, homeowners, renters, and pet insurance. They are not even touching auto insurance yet, which is going to be huge for this company. Plus guys, with Lemonade, they are using AI to go ahead and price insurance and price their risk. So this is a company that's really going ahead and being really innovative when it comes down to the insurance industry. Now, being in the financial sector and being in the insurance industry, I believe this is the biggest company that can go ahead and make a difference long term. This, in my opinion, is a 10x company over the next 5 years. Now, currently, guys, Lemonade is trading at $148 a share. As far as the overall returns go, let's see if we can get some returns here. I believe, yeah, Lemonade's actually IPO did come out more recently than 1 year. So if we just go ahead and look at the year to date for this year, they're up about 20% just overall in the last month. And then if we go ahead and look at the last 6 months, they're up 142%. This, in my opinion, is a great stock to go ahead and currently invest in. And this is solely my opinion on this, guys. But as far as my current value in this, again, another stock in my growth pie, but the current value of Lemonade in my portfolio is $2,608. I am up $167, or about 14%. So this is a stock I'm definitely going to be investing in throughout this month. My overall share price is $138, and the current price of Lemonade is at $148. Now, this is the third stock. Now, jumping into the fourth stock, this is another stock that just came out with their IPO. I was looking forward to this company's IPO. This is another growth stock, and that's going to be Airbnb. Now, Airbnb is basically the leader when it comes down to the hospitality industry and when it comes down to bed and breakfast. Airbnb is really changing the way that people go ahead and travel and the way that people go ahead and get different experiences through staying at different Airbnbs out there. Now, I know when I've traveled in the past, and literally in the last 5 years, every single time we've chosen Airbnb because of the actual experience that we actually get with Airbnb. So I really like this company. I do see this company growing down the road here as well. Now, this company just came out with their IPO in the last 3 months. So they're currently trading at $195 a share. The stock in the last 1 month is up about 40%. And then overall in the last 5 days, they're up 4.50%. Now, as far as my portfolio goes, Airbnb's current value in the portfolio is sitting at $2,144. I am up about 35% in this company. I started buying into this company right at their IPO, and I'm up $375. So my overall average share price is $161, and the current price is sitting at $195. So this is the fourth company, guys. Now jumping into the fifth company, and this is the largest holding that I actually have in my portfolio, and that's going to be Apple. Now Apple is starting to go ahead and hit all-time new highs. Apple, there's been rumors, is talking to Kia in regards to building the Apple car, which is going to be all automated. Basically, they're getting into the full self-driving and automation, and they're getting into the car industry. So they are looking to go ahead and compete with Tesla and with all the other big giants in the industry as well, because Apple just has the craziest and strongest ecosystem. I know I love everything Apple. Basically, whenever they come out with anything related to Apple, I at least go ahead and look into it, do my research on it if I don't actually purchase it. But I will say I use everything Apple at this point. So I'm a huge believer in their ecosystem, and they really suck you into their ecosystem just because of their overall design around their products and how easy it is to go ahead and use their products and just their clean interface. So Apple's currently trading at $137 a share. Overall, in the last 1 year, they're up 72%. If we go ahead and look at the last 6 months, they're up about 25%. And the other thing I'll say about Apple is they actually do go ahead and pay out a dividend as well. If we go ahead and look at Apple's dividend, Apple's currently paying a dividend of 82 cents or 0.60%. So huge believer in the stock. They actually started paying out a dividend about 7 years ago at this point. Now with Apple, as far as my current portfolio goes, the current value is sitting at $12,564. I'm up about 75% in this company, and my overall gains are $3,687. So these are the 5 stocks that I'm actually going to be investing in throughout February, and these are companies that I believe can go ahead and 10x over the next 5 years. Now, I like to be fully transparent on this channel, take you guys on this journey. So if you do want to go ahead and see all the different stocks that I invest in, I do have a link down in the description where I go ahead and share every single one of my stocks. At this point, I have right around 39 holdings, and I'm basically looking to go ahead and grow this portfolio to over $250,000 before the end of this year. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below to keep up with this journey. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Now, if you are interested in investing in the M1 Finance, I do have an affiliate link down in the description where you do get $30 when you go ahead and sign up with them. Personally, this is my favorite platform out of all the different platforms that I've used. But I'm going to leave it at that for this video. Thanks again, guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys at the next one.